It says, here's how Elena solved x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Is her work correct? If you think there is an error, explain the error and correct it. So on the right side of the image, we have her work. She had x squared minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. And according to her factoring, she got x minus 3 times x plus 6. And she solved and she got x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 6. Now, in order for us to check our work, we're going to use our reverse distributive property. So we're going to put our x squared inside of our box. We know that's given by x times x. We know the b term, which is this negative 3, is a result of adding those two terms together. So that b term. And we know our negative 18 goes here. And in order for us to get a negative 18, we know we're multiplying a negative times a positive to give a negative result. So, what are the factors of a negative 18 that will give us a positive 3? I like using a table format to list my factors. So it's negative 1 and 18, negative 2 and 9, negative 3 and 6, negative. I could do it the other way around. I could do positive 1, negative 18. I could do positive 2, negative 9, and I could do positive 3, negative 6. So which of these pairs will give me a negative 3 for my result? Not this. I'm going to get positive 17, positive 7, positive 3. Negative 18, negative 7. So the pair that works is negative 6, negative 3. So this is going to be an x minus 6, which means we're going to get negative 6x here. And an x plus 3. So 3x would go here. So her factors were actually x minus 6 and x plus 3. So when we look at that information, the error that Elena made was incorrectly writing the factors in the equation. And then we saw how we were to correct it. So we're going to correct when we look at correcting the information, x squared minus 3x plus 6x doesn't give, based on her factors. It's not the same as x squared minus 3x minus 18. So her error was incorrectly writing the factors. So the factors that she should have are actually x plus 6, sorry, x minus 6, x minus 6 times x plus 3. So if that's the case, we're going to take x minus 6, set that equal to 0, which means x is going to be equal to a positive 6. And if we had x plus 3 equal to 0, that means x is equal to a negative 3, and we would just subtract 3 from both sides.